So, basi, natingala mo guys, nasiyan ng supporters ng tayo. Proud supporters. Close up from love, but didn't need the pain. Once, twice wasn't enough, but it was all in vain. Time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen. Something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melted to the ground, found something true. And everyone's looking around, thinking I'm going crazy. So here, but it's all so loud. The music sounds fill my ears, try to fill me with doubt. Yet I know that their goal is to keep me from falling. Hey, but nothing's greater than the rush that comes with your grace. And in this world of loneliness, I see your face. Yet everyone around me thinks that I'm going crazy. But I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart's crippled by the pain that I keep on falling. You cut me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding your love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding your love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding your love. I keep bleeding, I keep